A plan is just a starting point. We have an idea of what we would like to do, what we would like to go, what we would like to accomplish because we thought about it and sat down and really put some time and effort into it. Because a plan only gets accomplished when it's really understood and learned. That's why starting with self is so important. Magic Johnson started with himself because if he can't be the best nobody around him can be the best. Because it takes focus, it takes determination. What Magic Johnson say, it takes focus, discipline, and never losing sight of your goals. Your goals is something that's going to push you when the plan gets destroyed. When your plan has to be changed and it has to be developed in a way where you can handle the pressure that's coming towards you, that's coming for you. It's not a punishment. It's here to help us grow. Magic knew he needed to work hard every single day because when he worked hard, his teammates worked hard with him. Why? Because he made another statement that was so great, so perfectly said. You can't create change unless you have success. And it's so important to recognize when you start with yourself, what plan are you creating for yourself? What plan are you looking to chase? What goals are you looking to accomplish? Because even though you have a desired direction that you would like to go, it would never go as you planned. It would never go as it's mapped out and how the blueprint is customized, because it takes time. It takes time. One thing that Magic Johnson had was that he had time, and with the time he had work ethic. With us, we have to develop the time and work ethic within ourselves to continue to work on ourselves, to continue to put ourselves first. And as we putting ourselves first, we learn that it's important to chase our goals, to never lose sight of our goals, because our goals is what create the plan, because we have a dream. Magic had a dream to be in the NBA, to be a businessman, to be a CEO. And he dreamed it before he even accomplished it. The power of the mind is so powerful. We have to understand we can become what we think if we're willing to work towards it. That's why this topic, this video was so important, because Magic Johnson was willing to work towards his goals. He never lost sight of them. Never lost sight of them. Never lost sight of them. And him not losing sight led him to be a billionaire today. Why is it so important? Because your dreams carry your plan. Your plan, when you have to recreate it, restructure it, you start with the end goal in mind. What is the end goal in mind? He said as he was playing basketball, he was 110% committed. As he was committed to basketball, he became the best point guard with the Lakers. And as he became the best point guard, he knew he needed to work hard every single day to not only prove to others, but to prove to himself. That's what work ethic comes from. That's where effort comes from. Proving to yourself that you can do it. If you're willing to put that work in. If you're willing to learn more about yourself. So as you're learning more about yourself, it's putting you in position to achieve and accomplish the plan that you have laid for yourself. One thing that Magic Johnson says is that when he was playing basketball, he was 110% committed. And then during his off season, that's when he started learning about businesses. That's when he started learning about business, because he knew he can't play basketball forever. So what are you going to do after you get done playing? What are you going to do after you get done being the best? Does the best retire, or does the best get better? That's why it's so important to recognize you get better with time if you decide to get better. Magic wanted to learn about business, and him learning about business made him help him become a billionaire. See, learning the skills is so important because the plan gets created from the new knowledge that you have.